In a bold escalation of regional tensions, Houthi forces in Yemen have launched a direct drone assault on Israeli territory. The attack, which occurred within the last several hours, targeted 3 highly sensitive Israeli installations, all believed to hold strategic or military significance. This marks one of the most serious cross-border escalations involving the Houthis and Israel to date. Attack details emerge. According to initial reports, the drones were launched from Houthi-controlled territory in northern Yemen. Israeli air defense systems, including the Iron Dome and David's Sling, were immediately activated in response. 2 of the drones were intercepted before reaching their targets, but at least one is believed to have reached an installation in southern Israel, causing limited but significant damage. Eyewitnesses in the Negev region reported hearing multiple explosions and saw interceptor trails lighting up the sky. Emergency teams were dispatched, and portions of the area were placed on temporary lockdown. Targeted installations. Sources close to Israeli intelligence indicate that the attack focused on 3 facilities. 1. A radar surveillance site near Dimona, possibly linked to Israel's nuclear infrastructure. 2. A logistics hub used by the Israeli Defense Forces in the southern command sector. 3. An airbase reportedly housing long-range drone operations. While no casualties have been confirmed yet, the targeted nature of the strike has raised questions about the Houthis' intelligence capabilities and access to precise coordinates. Houthi statement and motives. Shortly after the attack, the Houthi military spokesperson, Yahya Sari, issued a televised statement confirming responsibility. He described the operation as a direct retaliation against what he called Israeli aggression in Palestine and regional crimes of occupation. He warned that further strikes are likely if Israel does not cease its operations in Gaza and the West Bank. This isn't the first time the Houthis have aligned themselves rhetorically with the Palestinian cause. But experts say this strike signals a transition from symbolic threats to actionable operations with strategic depth. Regional and global reactions. Israel's defense ministry has vowed a swift response. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu held an emergency meeting with top security officials and stated, "Those who strike Israel will bear the full force of our retaliation." Meanwhile, U.S. Central Command confirmed it's monitoring the situation closely and has reiterated its support for Israel's right to self-defense. Iran, a known backer of the Houthi movement, has not issued a statement, though Israeli officials suspect Tehran's involvement in the planning or equipping of the drone attack. If confirmed, this could ignite a wider regional escalation involving U.S. Gulf and Iranian forces. Yemen's strategic shift. Yemen, already fractured by civil